subscribe. Subscribe my Beauty of Nature YouTube channel. And press the bell icon. Giraffe. As well as being the tallest animal on Earth, giraffes are a keystone species and play an important role in the environment where they live. However, this iconic species faces the biggest threats to its survival due to habitat loss, human population growth, poaching, disease, war and civil unrest. Learn more about the tallest animal on Earth and how we can help them. Meet the orphan giraffe we look after at Sheldrake Wildlife Trust. Support our work today. Wildlife conservation. News and updates. Learn more about our work. The giraffe is an African artiodactyl mammal, the tallest living terrestrial animal and the largest ruminant. It is traditionally considered to be one species, Giraffes camelopardalis, with 9 subspecies. Name: Giraffe, Giraffa. Known species and subspecies: Maasai giraffe, Giraffe typels kirchi, northern giraffe, Giraffe camelopardalis, Kordofan giraffe, G.C. antiquorum, Nubian giraffe, G.C. camelopardalis, West African giraffe, G.C. Peralta, reticulated giraffe, Giraffe reticulate, southern giraffe, Giraffa, Angolan giraffe, G.G. anglensis, South African giraffe, G.G. Giraffa. Age: giraffe can live to about 25 years old in the wild. Population estimate: 111,000. Conservation status: vulnerable. Countries where giraffes live: Botswana, Cameroon, DRC, Kenya, Mozambique, Namibia, Niger, South Africa, South Sudan, Tanzania, Uganda, Zambia, and Zimbabwe. Thank you for watching this videos.